Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how we can open a dialog by clicking on a button like this. So let's see how we can do this. First of all, let's go to our activity main.xml and here let's change the root layout to relative layout and delete this text view and create a button here. Let's set the width and height to wrap content. Let's give this button an ID and set it to the center and set a text that open dialog and set the text size to 18 sp. That's it. Now we can go to our main activity.java. Here let's create an object for our button and define this button here. Find view by id r.id.btn. Now let's set a on-click listener for our button. New view.onClick listener, and inside here let's call a method open dialog. We have to create this method here outside of the onCreate method. Now let's create a new Java file for our dialog. So here create a new Java class and I'll name it Dialog Fragment, and the superclass will be the app-compat dialog fragment, this one. Now click on OK and we have to override the onCreate dialog. So write onCreate dialog and override this method, and instead of returning this we have to create a new alert dialog. So write alert dialog dot builder and create an object equals new alert dialog dot builder, and we have to pass the activity. So write get activity. Then let's build our dialog. So builder dot set title. Let's give a title to our dialog. So I'll write notice, and then we can add a message to our dialog. So write set message and let's say this is a message to you, and then we can add a positive button and a negative button. In this example I'll add a positive button, set positive button, and give the text OK, and the second parameter will be the on-click listener. So I'll write new dialog interface dot on-click listener, and inside the on-click method we don't have to write any code if we want to just dismiss the dialog, but if you want to add any code you can do that here. I'll just leave it empty, and here I have to put a semicolon, and here I'll write return builder dot create. That's it. Now let's go back to our main activity.java, and here we have to call the dialog. So I'll write dialog fragment, create an object equals new dialog fragment, and let's set the dialog fragment dot show. The first parameter will be the get support fragment manager. The second parameter will be a tag. I'll write example. You can write anything here. Now let's run our app. So you can see our app is now ready. When I click on the open dialog button, it shows the dialog. Notice this is a message to you, and when we click on OK, it will dismiss. That's it.